And welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can download, install and set up Microsoft Teams. To do that, go to your browser and type Teams Microsoft and open the first choice, which shows www.microsoft.com. The next step, we are going to download, so we'll click on Download Teams in the top menu on the right. Here you will have two options, download for mobile or for desktop. So I'll choose download for desktop, and here you will be able to choose for either Windows 10 or Windows 11. So I'll choose my current Windows version. You might need to wait 1 to 3 minutes until the download is completed before you can proceed with setting it up. Once done, double click on the Teams to open. Windows will ask you if you really want to allow that application to make changes to your computer. You can go ahead and click yes. So once the download and installation is finished, you can go ahead and sign up using your current email address. So I will just type in my email address. The next stage, you will be asked to enter your current password. So just type in your password and hit enter. The operation should not take more than 5 minutes between downloading, installing and accessing Teams. The next step, you will be asked to sign up for Teams. So you can just go ahead and click sign up for Teams. Once you have clicked, it will take 1 or 2 minutes, and then you should be redirected to another website where you are supposed to sign up for Teams. So for now, I'll just type my email address. And I will click next. You can choose either for school, for family, or for an organization. So I will just select for family. And I will click next. The next step, you will be asked to sign into your Outlook account, so you can go ahead. So once you have signed up in the website for Teams, you can check your details and you can click continue. And now you should be fully signed up for it. So now whatever messages, emails you will receive, you will see them in Teams application and also in the website. You can go ahead and close your Teams, and you can try again to open it so that it refreshes the settings which you have already applied. So now that the application has been also refreshed, you will see your account and you can edit whatever you like accordingly. And you can start looking for people by their email address, and you can start chatting with them using Teams. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.